Balance and proprioception training are essential parts of recovery that help your body relearn control, coordination, and stability after an injury. They don't just restore function, they protect you from future injuries by improving how your body senses and reacts to movement. So what exactly is proprioception? It's your body's ability to sense its position and movement in space. Tiny receptors in your muscles, joints, and tendons constantly send feedback to your brain about where your limbs are and how they're moving. When you're injured, this communication can become disrupted, leading to poor coordination and increased risk of re-injury. Balance and proprioception exercises help rebuild that connection. The first step is to start simple and stable. Begin with exercises that challenge your balance in a safe way, like standing on one leg or shifting your weight from side to side. Focus on maintaining proper alignment and controlling small movements. When you can balance comfortably for 30 seconds or more, you can start adding variety. Next, add unstable surfaces like a balance pad, Bosu ball, or wobble board. These tools force your stabilizing muscles and nervous system to work together to maintain control. Even small adjustments during these exercises strengthen your ankle, knee, and hip stability, crucial for regaining confidence in movement. Incorporate dynamic balance exercises as you progress. Movements like single-leg reaches, step-ups, or slow walking lunges challenge coordination while engaging multiple joints. The goal is to create fluid, controlled movement through changing positions. Eyes closed balance drills are another effective progression. Removing visual input forces your body to rely more on proprioception and muscle feedback. Start with short holds and work your way up as your stability improves. Proprioceptive training can also include reaction drills. Catching a ball while balancing, gentle direction changes, or light agility exercises teach your body to respond quickly and safely to unpredictable movements, much like real-life situations. Remember to move slowly and mindfully. Focus on your breathing and posture throughout each exercise. Quality control matters far more than how long you can balance. For best results, include balance and proprioception work in your routine several times a week, even after you've fully recovered. These exercises not only speed up healing, but also help prevent future sprains, strains, and falls. Over time, you'll notice your movements becoming smoother, more confident, and more controlled. That's your body's internal communication system coming back online, stronger and smarter than before. Balance and proprioception training may seem simple, but they're powerful. They rebuild trust between your mind and body, giving you the confidence to move freely again without fear.